Would you spend 38,000 rupees on a skeleton watch? Wait till you see this. 43mm case size, 48mm lug-to-lug distance, automatic in-house CD07 movement by CIGA design with 40 hours of power reserve, a proper full skeleton design, and cherry on top, DLC coated steel case. Well, on paper, sounds interesting, but in hand, this feels way more premium than expected. Proper see-through watch, front and back, every angle shows the movement. This is not subtle, this is a statement piece. As I said it earlier, matte black DLC coating, scratch resistant, and these polished chamfered edges, well, they catch light beautifully. Skeleton watch is usually hard to read, but here, green tips on the hands and markers at 3, 6, 9, 12 position. Well, still not perfect, but kind of usable. Curved sapphire crystals, solid screw construction, industrial design language, tapered steel bracelet with butterfly clasp. Well, 43mm size, best suited for medium to larger wrists. Not a really formal watch. This is gonna be your weekend flex watch. Honestly, I did not expect much from this watch, but once I wore it, it completely changed my opinion because it looks bold, feels solid, and definitely stands out. But here's the real question. Is it actually worth 38,000 Indian rupees? And how does it hold up after real use? I have broken everything down. Full video is live on my channel. So again,